Should we start now? We were doing subject verb agreement. We have completed till worksheet number 5. Is it? Now you people can unmute yourself if you find that there is no background noise. If any background noise is there, unmute. Don't unmute yourself. You should always go to a place where you are free from other noises so that we can concentrate. Worksheet number, we were doing worksheet number 5. Where some nouns, there we read that some nouns are in form, but it looks like that they are plural, but actually they are singular. As physics, billiard, people, cattle, they all are singular. Physics and billiard are singular, but people and cattle, they are plural. In the same way, mathematics, statistics, measles, they are singular now. And we, yes, day before yesterday, we read about class noun. What are the class nouns? Can anyone tell me what are the class nouns? Anyone, any idea? You can refer to the book also. It is given in the at the page number 59. You can open page number 59. Did you find it? Class nouns.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Cutlery, stationery, food, furniture.
Furniture.
They are class nouns. And other, pair of. As we say, pair of socks, pair of jeans, a pair of socks, a pair of jeans, a pair of scissors. They look like a plural. Pair means two, and two refers to plural generally. But when we talk about the pair of socks, it will be used as singular. As my new pair of socks is very tight. Be careful. This pair of scissors is very sharp. Generally, we don't say pair of scissors. We say scissor. No, it is wrong. We should say pair of scissors. In the same way, weight, measurement, amount, time, distance. 5 years. It looks like 5 years means plural. But no, we are referring to time. So when we are referring to time, we will use age. 5 years is a pretty long time. 10 kilos of milk. 10 kilos of milk was consumed in just 1 day. 10 kilos. It looks like 10 kilos. Simply it's plural, but no, it is not plural because you cannot count. It is uncountable. When we talk of weight, when we talk of amount, when we talk of time, when we talk of distance, we use singular. As 5 years is a pretty long time. 10 kilos of milk was consumed in just 1 day. 100 rupee note. 100 rupees note. Note is 1. And note is worth 100 rupees. In the same way, we can say a 500 rupees note of We are talking about one note. If we say that 500, okay, 500 people were living. 500 people were standing over there. Here we will use what? Because it is countable. Only 1/4 of the total police force was deployed in the area. 1/4 of the total police force. Here will also be used was. In the same way, collective noun. Some collective nouns I am just going to discuss as school of fish. And we don't say fishes. Fishes means as we don't say waters. If we talk about, we can say waters, but when we will say waters, waters of different river. As we can say that waters of different river were used. Understood? If you want to ask me anything, you can unmute yourself and ask me. I am listening to some typing sound. I don't think typing is required.
Yes.
We are doing one-to-one conversation. I have not muted you people because in while doing grammar, while discussing grammar, I don't want you people to unmute. And now you people are in standard 8. You people should learn to behave how to behave. You are not small kids. Understood? So, school of fish, swarm of bees, bunch of keys, crowd. The crowd means a gathering of people. You can say a gathering of people at a particular place is known as crowd. But crowd will be, we will not use plural noun with a plural form with crowd. The crowd looks quite pleased with the magician's performance. However, read the following sentences. I am going to read a few more sentences. My new pair of socks is very tight. Okay, no problem. My socks are very tight. Here we are talking about number of socks. Here we are not talking about one particular pair of socks. My socks are very tight. My pair of socks is very tight. Understood the difference? Understand the difference? Anyone answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes.
my new pair of socks is very tight. We are talking about one. But when we say that my socks are very tight, means you are having some pairs of socks and they are tight. Understood? Here we are talking about a number of socks. Here we are talking about, okay, phone is coming. Let me cut it. Clear? Understood? If we delete pair of, the word socks is seen as simple plural and thus it takes up plural form. Background noise. What happened? Anyone feeling any problem? Tell me. If we delete, sorry. Now read the following examples. The team had chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponent. The team has chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponent. The team work. Anyone wanted to ask me anything? The team has chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponents. Here means now the team is working as one. Understood? Collectively they are working as one. So it is here the verb used over here is singular. The team were divided on the playing strategies. The team were divided. Should I mute yourself?
Yes ma'am, बहुत आवाज आ रहा है.
बहुत आवाज आ रही है.
Case number, ma'am.
Who is talking? Some, I think, business. So many students. And why you people didn't? You should name. One notice came. One notice was given yesterday that you are supposed to name yourself with your registered name. It should show here. If you are, suppose that if you are Aditya Raj of 8D, it should come that Aditya Raj 8D. If you are Naman Gautam 8G, it should come at Naman Gautam 8G. I will not admit if you are not come. You should rename yourself like this. Who is Vikas Kumar? Lots of noise coming from your side. Naman Gautam, noise is coming from your Ashim Raj. No, now. Naman Gautam is still my. Now Naman Gautam. It is not like that. We cannot see you from here. We can see and notice.
Page number.
I think we have finished the half and you are asking for page number. We are doing page number 59. One Kshitij 8G. Kshitij has joined? No, he is joining still. Okay. Clear? The team had chalked out a strategy to defeat the opponent. Means they are talking about one. They are working as one group. So it will be considered as singular now. But the team were divided on the playing strategy. Now each of the player they are divided. Players are divided. So when we talk about divided group, we will use plural. Understood? Plural form will be used if they are divided into their opinions, and if they have one single opinion, then it will be used as singular. Clear? Points to be remembered. We use a singular verb when we think of the collective noun as a whole. When we think of the collective noun as a whole, we use a singular verb. When we think about the members of the collective noun individually, when we think about the members of the collective noun individually, then we use plural. जब हम लोग collective noun के जो members हैं उनके बारे में individually talk करते हैं, तब हम लोग plural verb form use करते हैं, और जब हम लोग ये collective noun को as a whole use करते हैं तो वहाँ पे singular verb form use होता है. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Next
Yes,
worksheet number 6. Fill in the blanks with correct words. People in the carnival dash wearing all kinds of fancy dresses. What will be?
Word.
Well,
Yes. Statistic dash Mohit
Is.
favorites is.
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 Cutlery set
Is.
is.
Gives.
Yes, gives.
Gives.
Cutlery set gives a very antique look. This cutlery set gives a very antique look. Her furniture dash her elegant
Shows.
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 Yeah, furniture as a singular. This pair of trousers
Doesn't.
Doesn't. Doesn't.
this pair of trousers doesn't. These trousers dash
Are.
these trousers are old now. 250 grams of flour dash needed for this
Is.
yes.
Is.
250 grams of
Is.
250 gram of flour is needed for this recipe. The zuri dash divided in the wording.
Word.
Was divided. We are
Word.
talking about individual judge, individual means member of. We are talking about individual member of the jury. So it will be were. The jury were divided in their verdict. The jury were divided in their opinion. The jury dash prompt in
Was.
the jury was prompt in acquitting the innocent person. 200 kilograms.
Is.
200
Is.
dash a long distance to drive at a stretch. Is 200 kilometers each a long distance to drive at a stretch. Fried food dash harmful for
Is.
yeah, fried food is harmful for health. Is yes. This crockery dash
Is.
delicate. Is this crockery? Yes, this crockery is very delicate. Hold it carefully. The police dash scattered.
Was.
The police were scattered. We are talking about individual. We are talking about individual policeman. अगर वो scattered नहीं होता तो group में होता. तो group में होता तब हम लोग one collective noun की तरह use करते हैं. But here the police were scattered in the whole city for security. Statistics. यहाँ पे R होगा क्योंकि
Ma'am, 13 number 13.
ऑलवेज इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अ प्लेयर. एक स्टैटिस्टिक्स की बात नहीं है. जब हम लोग स्टैटिस्टिक्स जब हम लोग स्टैटिस्टिक्स एज अ सब्जेक्ट कर रहे थे, एज अ प्रॉपर नाउन यूज कर रहे थे तो यूज था, तो इज यूज किए थे. बट हियर यहाँ पे देखो पेज नंबर 60 हिंट पॉइंट इज आल्सो गिवन. हियर द वर्ड स्टैटिस्टिक्स yes has been used to suggest the idea of figures. When we talk of figures, we refer to the number. नंबर के साथ तो हम लोग यूज करते हैं ना प्लूरल. Understood?
मैम 13 नंबर में क्या होगा?
कहीं कोई डाउट है किसी को? Anyone, any doubt, anywhere?
मैम 14 में क्या होगा?
Question number 14. The statistics are.
मैम 13.
13. Wait. Once again, I am discussing, starting with first. Worksheet number 6, question number 1. People in the carnival were wearing all kinds of fancy dresses. Clear? No doubt? Statistics is Mohit's favorite subject. Understood? Next, this cutlery set. This cutlery set gives a very antique look. This cutlery set gives a very antique look. Her furniture shows her elegant taste. Clear? This pair of trousers.
Yes, ma'am.
This pair of trousers doesn't fit me anymore. This pair of trousers. We are talking about single trouser. Pair of trousers doesn't fit me anymore. These trousers are old now. These trousers are old now. Clear? 250 gram of flour. 250 gram of flour is needed for this recipe. The jury were divided in their verdict. The jury was prompt in acquitting the innocent person. 200 kilometers. 200 kilometers is a long distance to drive at a stretch. Fried food is harmful for health. Fried food is harmful for health. This crockery, am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, this crockery is very delicate. Hold it carefully. The police were scattered in the whole city for security. Statistics are always important for a player. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
No doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
My mother, now do it yourself. Do it yourself means do it yourself. Should we discuss it?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, हो गया.
No, ma'am.
We have 10 minutes time, I think. My mother and I. Now tell me what will be there. I'm not going to tell you the answer.
R.
My mother and I are delighted to see the picture. Okay, very good. Nima, my classmate and friend. Dash going
Is.
is. We are talking about Nima. Nima is her class. Nima is classmate also, and Nima is friend also. So your subject is Nima. Nima, my classmate and friend, is going abroad. Physics as well as maths. Physics is. Physics as well as maths is an interesting subject. A swarm of bees. A swarm of has. Yes, singular noun. Singular verb. Has. A swarm of bees has attacked the swarm. Anyone, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I want to make a rule that I will not be joining anyone. Meeting lock की जाती है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
10 minutes के बाद. But I don't do this because sometimes your network goes and you are supposed to rejoin. But some people join while I don't know what happened to Kshitij. I have admitted him. Now I am admitting him second time. One more student is there. In our next class, every student should be named with their class and section. No student should be named with their father. No student should be named with his or her parents, brother, sister, as you people have done it. Your name, class, and section. It should be must. If it will be much more better if you write your roll number also. I will be able to recognize you.
मैम हमेशा हम नाम चेंज करते हैं मैम, बट मैम फिर से मैम जब ज्वाइन करते हैं तब मेरे फादर का ही नाम आया था, क्योंकि उनके नाम पे एकदम फोन रजिस्टर्ड है।
अच्छा एक काम करना, तुम रामालोक सर का नंबर है तुम्हारे पास?
फादर के नेम पे अपने
यस सर।
एक बार तुम
Yes, ma'am.
रामालोक सर से बात कर लेना। रामालोक सर से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है तो ठीक है, अगर नहीं होती है तो फिर तुम बाद में मेरे से बात करोगे। आई विल टॉक टू द टेक्निकल टीम। ओके रामालोक सर इज also our technical assistant, but I will see what else can be done. But I want each and every student with their name, class, and section. That is must. If you write your roll number,
ज्वाइन करने के बाद अपना नाम रीनेम कर लेते हैं, बट मैम ज्वाइन जैसे ही करते हैं फिर से मेरे फादर का ही
का
नाम
मतलब है लॉगिन हो तुम। इसका मतलब है कि तुम लॉगिन हो अपने पेरेंट्स के नेम से।
यस मैम मेरा भी।
यस मैम
मेरा भी।
रीनेम देखो, रीनेम अगर कुछ किसी भी चीज को हम लोग रीनेम करेंगे यहाँ पे
पर लिखने पर मेरा
तो वो इट कम्स फॉर द टाइम बीइंग। यहाँ पे अगर रीनेम करोगे तो वो फॉर टाइम बीइंग होगा। परमानेंट you will have to open snap homework and then you will have to go to setting and then you will have to change. वहाँ चेंज करना होगा। यहाँ तो रीनेम कर दिए तो ये रीनेम कर दिए तो ये इट इज टेम्पररी and we should work for permanent solution. Okay, we were doing question number.
यस मैम।
Question number
E।
One way to avoid your mistake. One way to avoid one way to avoid your mistakes is to reread. Yes, one way to avoid your mistakes is to reread your work. Clear? Law and order. Dash
Is.
Yeah. Law and order is important for a nation's development. Either the students or the teacher
Has.
We talk of either or goes with second subject. Either or goes with second subject. Second subject is what? The teacher. है ना?
has
तुम लोग भूल गए? Not only but goes with second subject. Either or goes with second subject. Neither nor goes with second subject.
नाम नहीं याद है क्या? सर्च करने में।
So you people were right. The teacher has, but when I asked, you should have told that either or goes with the second subject. A committee has been set up to review the matter. A committee has been set up to review the matter. None of the boys.
has
None of the boys
has
I am listening two type of answers. Tell me which one is correct.
have
Yes, none. नंबर यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या बात कर रहे हैं? नन के साथ जब none of the boys, We are talking about the number. ठीक है ना? तो boys number में boys क्या हो रहा है? Boys plural number. So it will be have. None of you are supposed to, when I ask you, you are supposed to explain it. ये क्यों होगा? ठीक है, have होगा, चलो अच्छी बात है. But how it is have? A majority of the team members. A majority of
is होगा.
Okay.
मैम आर होगा.
What is written? A majority of the team members. A majority. Okay, I am not going to tell you answer. This is your homework. You are supposed to work on that, and you will be writing me. Group पे इसका आंसर तुम लोग लिखोगे. Okay. This is your homework. And you will just explain the reason also. If it is R, why it is R. If it is why it is. This is your homework. People.
मैम बट हम लोग के मैम 8D ग्रुप पे तो मैसेज.
Only admin can send message.
हम 8D ग्रुप में. Yes मैम.
देखो एडमिन्स क्या वो इसको करना पड़ता है. Why we are forced to do this? Because sometimes useless chats take place. Very useless. You people forget that this is official group. ये स्कूल का official group है and it is meant for study purpose. ये आपका chatting group नहीं है. और चैटिंग जब स्टार्ट होती है तभी टीचर्स फोर्स पिन हो जाते हैं. आप ये ओके यू कैन योर क्लास टीचर माइट हैव डन दिस. ओके यू कैन सेंड मी ऑन माय पर्सनल. नो वेट, आई विल बी अपलोडिंग द वीडियो. जब वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे ना तो कमेंट सेक्शन में तुम लोग इसका आंसर दोगे. It is the best place.
Yes.
इस वीडियो को तो इवनिंग तक अपलोड कर ही देंगे. I will be uploading. Recording is going on. I will be uploading the video, and in comment section you people can answer me. Hello.
मैम
बोलो.
मैम
हाँ. Be fast. Only 1 minute is left. जिसको भी बोलना है जल्दी बोलो. We are supposed to. Anyone any doubt?
नो मैम.
Okay.
मैम
Okay, जिसको डाउट होगी you can call me and ask me.
कमेंट में जो मैम आंसर हम
What happened?
मैम कमेंट में जो हम लोग आंसर लिखेंगे वो आई से ना लिखे मैम. आई से
कमेंट में हाँ अपने नाम के साथ आंसर लिखोगे. नेम, क्लास, सेक्शन, रोल. ये तुम लोगों की एक्टिविटी मार्क्स है. आई विल बी गिविंग एक्टिविटी मार्क्स. वहां से तुम लोगों को एक्टिविटी पे भी मार्क्स मिल सकता है. ओके. People dash pleased with the government's new tax policy. What will be there? People dash are pleased with the government's new tax policy. This pair of sunglasses. Has. Yes. These sunglasses
इन जंगलों में रहने
Each
वाले
sunglasses have scratches on them. Yes.
राम से तिरस्कृत होकर जब सूर्पनखा ने
This pack of cards
इतिमধ্যे रावण ने अपने छोटे भाई विभीषण द्वारा